Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install McAfee web protection, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Navigate to the official McAfee website. Locate the products section on the home page. Select McAfee web protection from the list of products. Click on the download button. You may be prompted to create a McAfee account if you don't have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your account or log in. Once logged in, return to the download page. Click on the download link again to start the downloading process. Wait for the download to complete, then locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to start the installation process. If prompted by a user account control window, click Yes to allow the installation. The installation wizard will open, guiding you through the setup. Read and accept the end-user license agreement. You might need to select a destination folder for the installation. Choose the default settings recommended or customize them as desired. Click the Install button to begin the installation. Wait for the installation process to finish. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to close the wizard. Restart your computer if prompted to do so. After rebooting, locate the McAfee web protection icon on your desktop or taskbar. Double-click the icon to open the McAfee application. Follow the initial setup prompts to configure your preferences. You may want to run an initial scan to ensure your system is protected. Review the security settings and make adjustments if necessary. Your McAfee web protection is now installed and ready to use. Enjoy browsing with enhanced security and peace of mind. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.